What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Favorite Dress by Lil Peep and Lil Tracy. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as a notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's got two different parts to it. It's got the little picking that happens in the intro, and then it's just got chords that strum throughout the rest of the song. I will show you the picking pattern and I will show you the chords. If you need the guitar tab, you can find it in the video description, as well if you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook in the video description called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. We'll start with your intro picking. You're starting with this version of like a B minor. It's 2 on the 2nd fret on the A string with your index finger and 4th fret on the D string with your ring finger, and you're picking A, D, G, B, G, D. Picking that twice. A, D, G, B, G, D. Take your index finger off of the A string and put it on the 2nd fret of the G string and pick the exact same strings. Then move your index finger back to the 2nd fret on the A string and put your pinky finger on the 4th fret of the G string. Pick the exact same strings again. Then index finger off to the 2nd fret of the B string, and you're picking A, high E, G, B, G, D. And then index finger off, and you're just picking A, D, G, B, G, D again. So that last part looks like... So all together slowly. Now the chords for the rest of the song that just repeat are going to be, you start with a B minor. It's going to be 0, 2, 4, 4, 3, 2. Index finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, and you're just barring that entire fret there, starting on the A string, nothing on the low E. Ring finger on the 4th fret of the D string, pinky finger on the 4th fret of the G string, and your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the B string. Then you're going A major, which is 0, 0, 2, 2, 2, 0. Middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, ring finger 2nd fret G string, pinky finger on the 2nd fret of the B string. Then you're going to go D major, which is 0, 0, 0, 2, 3, 2. Index finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, and your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the high E. And then in the chord progression, it just goes back to A before all that repeats. Once you get the chords down, all you need is your strumming pattern. It's gonna be down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is going to receive a guitar accessories kit that has a capo, a guitar strap, guitar strings, all the accessories in there that you need as a beginner guitarist. And the second winner is going to win a free t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. Then once the channel hits 100,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you lucky winners to win a free brand new acoustic guitar. All you have to do to enter the giveaways is subscribe to the channel, leave a thumbs up on this video, turn on notifications for the channel, and leave a comment down below with a song that you want me to teach you on guitar. I'm very excited to be able to do these giveaways. I just gave away a guitar at 50,000 subscribers, and that happened a lot quicker than I thought, but it's all thanks to you guys. These giveaways are just my way of trying to give back and show my appreciation for all the love and the support that you guys have shown me and the channel. So again, thank you guys so much. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below for a song that you want to learn on the guitar, and we will see you guys in the next video.